It's John back with another hard level SAT math question. We have the expression above is equivalent to x squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants. What is the value of b? So this is a pretty simple, basically just a quadratic idea here, right? We have something, some sort of ax plus b times cx plus d. Obviously, these coefficients, these letters I'm using don't relate to this at all. Um, but it's just something in the form of, some x plus some number times some x plus some number. And the strategy we use to solve these equations, some teachers might call it FOIL, but what I really like to use for these is what's called the box method. And what we do in the box method is we basically just put these numbers and then make a box with these numbers. And it's a little bit easier. I'll show you what I mean in a second here. So let's draw a box. All right, let's draw a box. And then above, we're going to have 1/2 x plus 3 halves. And over here, we're going to have 3 halves x and 1/2. All right, so that's this goes over here, and this goes over here. And then we're just going to multiply all these out. So we have 3 halves times 1/2, right? So 3 halves times 1/2 would be 3/4. Then we have x times x, so x squared. We have 3 halves x times 3 halves, so you get 9/4 x. You get 1/2 x times 1/2 x, so 1/4 x. 3 halves times 3 halves is 3/4. All right, and we notice we have like terms across the box here. We're going to combine those. We're going to get 3/4 x squared plus 10/4 x plus 3/4. And you'll notice that we are, in fact, in this form, right? We have an a, this is our a, x plus b plus c. We can say that our b is equal to 10/4. We can divide both the top and the bottom by 2. We get 5 halves. So b is equal to 5 halves. Now you might be wondering a little bit more about this box method if you've never seen it. It's basically a way where we can multiply factors of some sort of quadratic or some sort of polynomial together very easily. So even if I had something like 3x squared plus 4x plus 5 times 6x plus 7, very easy, just use the box method. So here I have 3 factors here and 2, or not 3 factors, but 3 terms here, 2 terms there. So I draw a 3 by 2 box, right? 1, so I have 3 here, so I just write 3x squared plus 4x, and then we have 5 here, and then 6x, 7. Let me just get rid of this plus here. And then I just multiply, so I multiply these, I multiply these, and I multiply these, and I multiply these guys, and those guys. Again, this box method pretty much works for every single polynomial you've got out there. It can get a little bit complicated when you're multiplying like gigantic polynomials, but of course it's going to get complicated no matter what method you use to multiply gigantic polynomials. So that's that.